BMW 8 Series Maintenance Service. Bayerische Motoren Werke AG, commonly referred to as BMW, is a German multinational corporate manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. Are you looking for some BMW 8 Series maintenance service? The Auto Helpers mechanics can help you with our quality auto mechanics. We will get you up and running again in no time. Servicing your BMW 8 Series is essential to ensure it remains in optimal condition and continues to deliver the performance and luxury you expect from a high-end vehicle. Regular maintenance helps prevent potential issues, extends the lifespan of your vehicle, and maintains its resale value. Here's a general overview of the typical maintenance and service needs for a BMW 8 Series. Oil changes. Regular oil changes are crucial to keep the engine lubricated and operating smoothly. Follow BMW's recommended oil change intervals, which can vary based on your specific engine and driving conditions. Fluid checks. Check and top up all essential fluids regularly, including engine coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Brake service. Brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid should be inspected regularly. Replace brake components as needed to ensure safe braking performance. Tire maintenance. Rotate the tires regularly to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure regularly to maintain proper inflation and alignment. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter at recommended intervals to ensure proper air intake and engine performance. Spark plug replacement. Follow BMW's recommendations for spark plug replacement, typically around 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type of spark plugs used. Battery inspection. Inspect the battery and its connections for signs of corrosion or wear. Replace the battery as needed. Suspension and alignment. Regularly inspect the suspension and alignment to ensure proper handling and tire wear. Coolant system. Inspect the cooling system for leaks and ensure the coolant is at the correct level. Flush and replace the coolant according to BMW's recommendations. Transmission service. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for transmission service, including fluid changes and filter replacements. Check engine light. Address any warning lights promptly by diagnosing and fixing the underlying issue. Modern BMWs have advanced diagnostic systems to pinpoint problems. Software updates. BMW often releases software updates for various vehicle systems, including the engine control unit and infotainment system. Make sure your vehicle's software is up to date to ensure optimal performance and functionality. It's essential to consult your BMW owner's manual for the manufacturer's specific maintenance schedule and recommendations for your 8 Series model. Additionally, consider having your vehicle serviced by an authorized BMW dealership or a reputable automotive service center that specializes in BMW vehicles. They have the expertise and access to genuine BMW parts to ensure quality service and repairs. Regular servicing will help maintain the performance and luxury of your BMW 8 Series.